We're road tripping in Mexico! Right, boys? Are you ready for some road tripping, boys?
Woo! Epic Huey.
Alright, so we are on our way to the ruins of Tulum, which has been on our list for many years. Since we started to have a list of things we wanted to see in the world, those ruins were there.
Trying to keep everybody happy. It's a task.
Welcome to Riviera Maya. We are finally going to the ruins. Max, are you excited?
I don't really know what's going on. I just really enjoy being strapped to my mom.
So Megan, do you regret yourself taking the stroll, you say?
I think I do.
Hello world. I'm in here somewhere. Who's that? Felix vlogging cam. Whoa, whoa, we're in the jungle. Whoa, whoa. He just got his diaper changed. Whoa, whoa, on a Mayan sacrifice table. Let's go and explore. Look at this. Tulum, baby. What do you say, Felix? You like this? This is called El Castillo. It was the most religious building in the city of Tulum. I guess many sacrifices was made in there. Many heads rolled for sure. Cut to... Apocalypto. You're not half as amazed as your brother are. So they're closing the place down now. So it's finally stopped raining and we were out for like 2 minutes and now they're closing. So we get the secret exit because we're taking too long because we have strollers and twins. Alright, thank you very much guys. Either they're really friendly here or they just want to get rid of us. Everybody else had to go around, but we were too slow, so they just threw them out here.
Don't worry, be happy.
Well, let's conclude this adventure.
It's a little too fast.
But it was because it was raining like for 2 hours? I mean, we came here at like 2 and it's 5 now. So we've been here 3 hours in total. Maybe that will be enough on a sunny day. What a crazy day.
See ya later. See ya.
Later, Max.